In this short tutorial, you will learn how to find the link in bio on Instagram. Many Instagram users, particularly those promoting businesses or content, have a link in their bio that directs followers to their website or other important pages. Finding this link is easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then go over to the account page of the Instagram user that you want to find the link in bio. For example, I'm going to go over to this account page. Once you are on their account page, you'll see their bio at the top, and under that, you'll see a link with a link symbol. So when someone says link in bio, they refer to this link. You can tap on this link to open it up and see it. Let me show you another example. So this is Selena Gomez's Instagram account page. And this is her bio, and under that bio, you can see this link. This is her link in bio. You can tap on that link to open it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.